Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can find text fonts and bookmark them within Cricut Design Space. Here we can see we're on the canvas and here is the icon for text. We're going to select that and it's brought us up a text box. To change the text font we need to head up to the top here and click on the small triangle, and that will then bring us up a whole list of different fonts. So as we can see across the top, the fonts that it's showing are the fonts that are available to buy through Cricut. Some of them have a price and there are the odd one or two that are free as well. The next option is for system. So these are fonts that I've bought elsewhere, primarily from Creative Fabrica and Design Bundles and Font Bundles. And there we can see that I've uploaded all of those into Cricut Design Space to be used on designs. The next option is for recent, and this is recently used fonts. And the final option is for bookmark. And as we can see, I have not got any bookmarked fonts in there. So if we head back to system, we can go through all of the fonts, and if there's any fonts that you are particularly keen on, then you can select those and highlight those. So if we take a lessened round, we can see now it's changed the text to a lessened round. I do quite like this font. I do use this one quite a lot. So when we go on to the option here, we can see here there's a little bookmark option. So if we select that, that's now bookmarked that font for us. And again, we can go all the way through, so we can choose another one, and again we can select bookmark. These might be fonts that you feel like you're going to default to quite regularly for your designs, or just maybe some of your favorites. Now we've bookmarked those, we can go into the bookmark section, and there it will show the two fonts that we have bookmarked. You can bookmark as many as you like, and if you want to unbookmark them, then literally go back to the little icon and it says remove bookmark, click on that and the font has gone. And that's how quick and simple it is to find fonts, bookmark them and unbookmark them in Cricut Design Space. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.